Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital banking. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money with Yono SBI in 2025. Yono SBI is the State Bank of India's super convenient app that makes money transfers quick, secure, and hassle-free. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying bills, or splitting expenses with friends, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Yono SBI app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Yono SBI, and download the latest 2025 version. It's free and updated with enhanced security features like biometric login and AI-driven fraud detection. Once installed, open the app and log in with your SBI credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to register using your SBI account details. Don't worry, it's straightforward and only takes a minute. After logging in, navigate to the Fund Transfer section, usually found on the home screen or under the Payments tab. Now, select your preferred transfer method. For instant transfers, go with IMPS or UPI. Enter the recipient's details, like their account number, IFSC code, or UPI ID, making sure everything is accurate to avoid any errors. Double-check the amount you're sending and add a reference note if needed, such as gift for birthday. Before confirming, review the transaction summary. Yono SBI will show you the charges, if any, and estimated time for the transfer. Hit confirm and authorize it with your MPIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for added security. Boom! You're done. The money should reflect in the recipient's account within seconds to a few minutes, depending on the method. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always use a secure internet connection to protect your data, keep your app updated for the latest features, and never share your login details. If you run into any issues, like a failed transaction, check your balance or contact SBI customer support through the app. There you have it. Transferring money with Yono SBI in 2025 is easier than ever. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.